So Wally got the C5 back out. Wow. All right, cool. Thank you. Thank you. Felt like forever. I don't know if it was just me, but anyways, yeah, Waleed finally fixed the transmission. I mean, since the transmission is fixed now, he's driving it, making sure it's all right. I don't know if he's going to Texas 2K. I don't know, but there's John's car over there. I'd zoom in, but I have a coffee in my hand, so. John does all the tinting, and he has the Pro Charger. And it's my little V1 over here. So we got this 2018, 19 Charger. It's coming in for a splitter, so we're gonna knock that out real quick. Y'all can see the process. It's coming up right now. So this car already has a rear splitter on it. I guess, spoiler. It's hitting the body a little bit, so we're gonna see if we can fix that real quick. And then he's also gonna get the front one with the rods and stuff. So hopefully it won't take too long. We about to knock it out for real. So you'll be putting on the front splitter, right?
Yeah. I'm gonna hit it from the front, and John gonna hit it from the back. If Rome was here, he'd be like, whoa, out of pocket.
Can you explain real quick what you're gonna do?
We're taking the wicker bill off. We're taking the wicker bill off because it was misaligned. You see how it's not all tied in there, so we're gonna try to tighten it down and then realign it so we can get it nice and tight, so we won't have no more water leakage, and you won't have things like that. You know, when you don't do stuff right, you get things like that.
Yeah. Okay.
So you know, we'll be back. Yeah, you see, he didn't even press it. He just put it in there. I just took it right out.
You don't drink hot cocoa? Well, coffee. You were drinking an iced coffee earlier.
So I can do another one.
His point was you drink coffee to be warm or hot cocoa. You're drinking an iced coffee and it's below freezing outside.
I'm half white, that's why.
Don't be racist to yourself.
I am half
that
white.
just answered the question. Like, what? I'm half white, so it's okay.
We wearing shorts when it's cold outside.
Nah, I don't do that. Not anymore, at least.
There we go.
Alright, while he's doing that, I'll come back here. Alright, so you can see where the spoiler was hitting. Body right there. So, align it properly. Now it looks way better.
These got to get installed under the car on the radiator support. With that same tool that John's using. I'm not trying to push some bit up in there. Oh, my man, no radiator right now. Try that and see. Especially the fact that we just had one sitting right there for like 3 months and I sold it.
Yeah.
It'd be sick.
Step one.
That's the terrifying part. This part done, I'm good. I hate drilling under the radiator.
So why do we have to do this?
So just putting in these pieces, because that's what basically the splitter will thread into.
Uh-huh.
Hold up. Yep.
You ended up putting this washer back there just for...
Yeah, so
stay?
these are not made for this splitter. He kind of bought them separately because he wanted rods on it. So you kind of got to just make it work.
So without like drilling holes in his bumper and messing up the reinforcement and everything behind it, we're just gonna do it this way. Basically, he just wants these for looks.
Yeah.
So
Shoot, they look pretty nice though. As you see, it's a big ass washer back there. That just holds the rods in place.
it's downhill now.
Is mine gonna be this difficult when I do get it?
If you buy the right parts.
That's an
Yeah.
APR one,
They
yeah.
actually come with. it's
Yeah,
supposed
that
to
comes
come
with the rods.
Oh, all right,
and
all
the
right.
hardware. Like this one doesn't come with it, so
That's why it was difficult.
that's why I was a little confused. And I'm like, how come they gave you hardware for everything but
But the
not
rods.
the rods?
Yeah,
So
he threw them in there.
yeah, he ordered these completely separate outside the kit.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks sturdy.
I don't think it's going anywhere.
Alright, so we finally got the lower part going on. Then after that, it's just connecting rods.
What the fuck?
Alright, well, they're having a little difficulty again, but I heard you had wings.
Oh yeah. I don't know about these.
I don't know about you. You got a flat? You got a flat.
There's hella flats.
Baby ass wing, look at this shit.
Boy, how about you eat it first before you pack it?
Okay. You don't smack it. And we're back.
After Birdo ate lunch and left us, and
Our goal was 345, but it's only 220.
Okay.
And we ran into problems.
So we fixed them.
It's not ABC 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
like the YouTube video told you.
All you gotta do is drill these holes here, and then they go right on. Like, all right. That didn't work out.
All done. This little back piece has 3M tape around there. 3 little screws. Rods holding it in place, and same thing on this side. So 3M tape, go from up here down there, and 3 little screws. About it. It was a little mission for Waleed and them, but they got it done before time limit. So yeah, it really don't look bad though. It looks really nice.
Drop them off. Okay.
We just got our 6-1 manifold painted. Plum Crazy Purple.
It's not all the way done yet. That's just the first layer. Still got to do clear. Second, we're about to do a second coat, and then we still got some like spotty spots. We're gonna do a second coat now. Here comes John with the paint, and then we're going to clear coat it. So stay posted. Okay, so quick update on what's going on. We got the manifold all painted plum crazy. We're getting ready to clear coat it now, and after that, I'll do another video to show you guys what that looks like. But it looks like this now. That's no clear. All right, I'll be back.
Just finished painting up this 6-1 manifold. We're putting it back on John's car. You know, Pro Charger right
back
there.
on. We're swapping it to a 6.4 manifold.
Well, yeah, he had the 6.4 on here before.
Don't you got the? Isn't that what you use that for? To fill the gap?
Yeah, but I don't know if I.
Yeah, you loosen this clamp and let it rotate. You got a clamp on it right here.
Alright, what's up guys? I forgot my video camera early, but we're about to go do some passes in John's Pro Charged Challenger. He has a new manifold, so make sure you like it, follow and subscribe. I don't think you hear that.
First in line, about to rip it.
Nice little clear road. This sounds good. That's with the new manifold, right? Yeah.
Thing roll. No check engine light, no nothing. Rolling.
So while Lee got the car back out, he's about to try to two-step it right now. How do you feel about your car being back?
Awesome. Amazing.
How long was it down?
The day after Thanksgiving, we broke it. Black Friday.
Oh yeah? So you just took the car for a test drive?
What? That's the catch can. Catch can. Leave it open.
So what was that just now that he was
Catch
banging
can.
on the hood for?
Cut it off, cut it off, cut it off. It's the catch can.